New to the 2604 release, EDM Supply Chain Integration is enhanced to allow users to extend their typical search capabilities in EDM Collaborate to PartQuest Portal, providing immediate access to rich manufacturer part metadata as well as up-to-date supply chain information. Using the robust Supplyframe data model integrated into EDM Supply Chain, a user can search based on a set of properties in EDM Collaborate only to find that there is a limited set of active manufacturer part numbers in their corporate library. Knowing a new manufacturer part may need to be created, the user can then extend their search criteria directly to PartQuest Portal. EDM Supply Chain automatically maps the specified search, allowing users to further refine search criteria when selecting a new part. With this specific search, over 5,000 manufacturer part numbers were found, but now parametric information, available ECAD models, and current supply chain data is provided to the user to make an educated decision on new part selection. Once it has been determined that a certain part not only meets the specified design criteria, but also is currently available through multiple supply streams, the user can confidently introduce the part to the library by dragging the selection from PartQuest Portal to their current EDM Collaborate window. This method of introduction can either initiate a new part request or allow permitted users to immediately create a new manufacturer part object. EDM Supply Chain will automatically classify new objects to proper catalogs and populate them with the rich metadata observed in PartQuest. EDM Collaborate's integration with PartQuest has been further leveraged in 2604 to utilize comprehensive supply chain information in the new intelligent part list analysis. Once a design's part list is saved to EDM, the analysis can be done at any variant configuration. Not only can key project stakeholders review the individual manufacturer part number coverage against the external content supplied by PartQuest, but part lifecycle and supply chain risk data is organized for efficient review. Aside from the configurable columns to observe suppliers, stock, or price for individual parts, total board costs can also be quickly analyzed and refreshed for up-to-date analysis. Now, with supply chain information leveraged from part selection through design review, engineers can confidently craft supply chain resilient designs.